Good morning, Kurt here with Teach Mom How. As a continued part of an ongoing uh, owner's manual or user's manual for Microsoft Excel, I am creating yet another tutorial. And in this one, I'm going to show you how to add images to a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. So this is pretty cool how images work here. I actually really like this. What you do is you go to the cell you want to add an image to and you click Insert and then you click Pictures. Now you could add all kinds of stuff as you see here, but let's add a picture. Okay, I can either place it over cells, which let me just show you what that means. I can allow access to all my photos, and then Microsoft Excel is going to access my photos to add a picture here. Okay, that's going to take a minute. So while we wait for that, let's do picture over cell and let's do one from a stock image. That's going to open up Excel's stock image library. Let's just choose something random because I don't really care. Insert. And that's going to throw this, whatever size it is, over the top of the cells. And then I can resize it and things like that. That's one way to do it. But here's what I think's cooler about Excel. You can select a cell and you can add an image to that cell with Insert, Add Pictures. Okay, place it in the cell. You can do it from your browser, from a file, from stock images, or from even online. You can hyperlink to online pictures. We're just going to use stock images because that'll work faster for this tutorial. And then I choose the image that I want. I click Insert. And then it will insert that right here. Oh my gosh, I can't even see that. That's so small. What do I do? This is the cool part. Click this. It will pull the image full size. Click it again. It will disappear again. So you could have in each cell a different photo. This is what's so cool. You could have a different photo in each cell. And this is where it gets really cool. Let's throw just a couple more in here. Okay, so you got all these photos in here and you select the one you want. Click this button. It will pull it up big, then click that and it will shrink it again. Makes it big, click it again, it shrinks. How cool is that? That is how you add images to your Excel files. Hope that was helpful. If you didn't see what you were looking for, leave a comment. I'll make a custom video just for you. And if you did just want to learn more, there's a whole playlist of tutorials of I'm creating a user manual, a digital user manual for Excel. You can check out what I've got so far by clicking the link in the description. And of course, make sure you subscribe to Teach Mom How. Have a great day.